one of the things I know I've told people on my team is to go through the process of trying to look at what you're doing from your audiences or stakeholders' perspective 3 times, which may not even be enough, and try and like strip away the data scientist specific piece of it and get it closer and closer to, you know, someone who's arriving at this meeting and is going to pay attention for maybe 15 minutes and has problems they want to solve. What do they want to hear about? How can they consume that? And what do they not want to hear about? And so that process of like, do that 3 times, like present to other people on your team, present to other people in the company and get feedback. It's really hard to get in just one step of, I did this and now I'm going to try and present it to the right level of communication simplicity and audience awareness. So that's one thing. And then I think just getting exposure to other teams and other parts of the business wherever possible really helps build empathy and understanding for other people's perspectives. So whether that's like getting out into the field or sitting in on other teams' discussions, just generally trying to understand where everyone else is coming from and what kinds of pressures and challenges they're dealing with is really helpful, not just for formulating what problems we solve and having kind of contextual awareness of building models and things, but in communicating with people also.